Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep and detailed look at the 2026 Sony Honda Mobility Afeela 1, a car that blends advanced technology with premium electric mobility in a way we haven't seen before. This is not just a car, it's a rolling piece of smart technology designed for the future. Starting with the exterior, the Afeela 1 has a clean, minimalist design that feels very modern and futuristic. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic, focusing more on efficiency than aggressive styling. The front fascia is simple yet striking, with a seamless surface that gives the car a high-end, tech-focused personality. What really stands out is the digital light panel at the front, which can display messages, alerts, and even charging status, making the car feel interactive and alive. Moving to the body structure, the doors open smoothly and feel solid, with a premium weight that inspires confidence. The hood is short, as expected from an electric vehicle, and is mainly designed for aerodynamics rather than housing a large engine. The trunk offers practical space for daily use, groceries, and luggage, making it suitable for families and long trips. Overall, the build quality feels refined and well engineered. The wheels and tires complement the futuristic design. The alloy wheels are stylish and aerodynamic, designed to reduce drag while still looking premium. The tires provide a good balance between comfort and grip, making the car stable at high speeds and smooth over rough roads. The headlights and taillights are fully LED and extremely sharp. The headlights provide excellent visibility at night with adaptive lighting features, while the taillights stretch across the rear, giving the car a wide and modern look. These lights are not just about style, they enhance safety and visibility as well. The mirrors are sleek and modern, designed to reduce wind noise. They are power adjustable, heated, and integrated with cameras and sensors to support driver assistance systems. Inside the cabin, the Afeela 1 feels like a high-tech lounge. The interior is spacious, quiet, and built with premium materials. The steering wheel has a futuristic design with touch-sensitive controls, allowing the driver to manage infotainment, driving modes, and assistance features without taking hands off the wheel. The seats are extremely comfortable, offering excellent support for long drives. They come with electric adjustment, heating, and ventilation options, making every journey relaxing. Both front and rear passengers get generous legroom and headroom. The dashboard is one of the highlights of this car. It features a wide, full-width digital display that combines the speedometer, navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information into one seamless screen. The speedometer is clear and customizable, while the battery and range indicators replace the traditional fuel gauge, showing real-time energy usage. The pedals are smooth and responsive. The accelerator delivers instant torque, which is a signature of electric vehicles, while the brake pedal feels precise and confident. Since this is an electric car, there is no clutch, making driving effortless, especially in city traffic. Under the hood, there is no traditional engine. Instead, the Afeela 1 uses a powerful electric motor system developed by Sony and Honda. The performance is impressive, with quick acceleration and smooth power delivery. The car feels fast yet controlled, ideal for both city driving and highways. The braking system is strong and reliable, featuring regenerative braking that helps recharge the battery while slowing down. This not only improves efficiency but also reduces wear on the brake pads. The rear view camera and 360-degree camera system provide excellent visibility, making parking and tight maneuvers very easy. Advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision warning add an extra layer of safety. In terms of performance, the Afeela 1 offers a balanced ride with smooth handling and a quiet cabin. It's not a sports car, but it delivers enough power to feel confident and enjoyable. The expected price places it in the premium electric segment, competing with luxury EVs, but the technology and features justify the cost. For common uses, this car is perfect for daily commuting, family trips, long highway drives, and tech lovers who want a smart, connected vehicle. It combines comfort, safety, performance, and innovation into one package. That's our detailed review of the 2026 Sony Honda Mobility Afeela 1. If you enjoyed this in-depth look, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.